Hello, we're going to do a little intro for what we're going to be learning in class. So we're going to be starting with our shared research and writing projects. So let's start off with what is research? So basically research is when you look at things closely. And after you've done some observations, you're going to ask yourself, what did you notice about what you looked at? And what did I learn from it? I'm going to have you do an example with your parent or guardian. So if you can, go get 2 toys that you can hold. Don't bring in a giant drivable car. And I want you to describe each toy to your guardian. So for example, some of you might have the same toys that I do. I have Bingo and Bluey here. I'm going to talk about what color they are, where did I get it, and then I want you to pick one that you like better and then explain why. So for example, I have Bingo and Bluey. I really like Bingo. Bingo is orange. She's really funny. I got her from Target. And I like her better because I think she's funnier than Bluey. So I'm just going to allow some time for you to do that. Go ahead and pause the video. All right. Now I'm going to talk about some writing that we're going to do. So now with your guardian, I'm going to have you write down one reason why you like the toy you chose best. So if I was with my parent, I would have them help me write down, I like Bingo because Bingo is the funniest. And then also go ahead and pause the video to allow some time for you to do that. All right, so now we just had that fun activity, and now I'm going to talk about what we're going to do in class. So first, in class, we're going to read 2 Dr. Seuss books. You might have already read some with your parents or guardians. And don't worry, you're going to get to vote on which ones you want to read. And then we're going to talk about the 2 books, share out loud, give some examples about why you guys like the book. And then I'm going to have you pick your favorite, and you're going to write about it. But also, maybe you haven't read a Dr. Seuss book yet, so let's talk about who is Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss is an author to many children's books. He wrote Cat in the Hat, Green Eggs and Ham, and he's most known for his rhyming inside the books. So when we read them, you're going to notice that a lot of the words rhyme together. And a fun fact about Dr. Seuss is that he actually lived in San Diego at one time, where we are right now. So I hope you feel more confident about what we're going to be doing in class, and I can't wait to see you.